Welcome to this video on Zero Trust and moving on-prem file shares to cloud-based services like OneDrive and SharePoint. Today, we'll be discussing the specific advantages of this migration, focusing on the benefits for both end users and the organization. Migrating on-prem file shares to cloud-based services like OneDrive or SharePoint is a crucial step in modernizing your organization's IT infrastructure. This move aligns with the Zero Trust model by enhancing security, improving accessibility, and streamlining collaboration. Specific advantages for users include the following. First, one of the primary benefits for end users is the ability to access files from anywhere, at any time, and on any device. This flexibility is particularly valuable for remote and mobile workers, enabling them to stay productive regardless of their location. Next, cloud-based services like OneDrive and SharePoint facilitate seamless collaboration. Users can easily share files, co-author documents in real time, and track changes, leading to more efficient teamwork and faster decision-making. Finally, with features like version history, automatic syncing, and easy file recovery, users can manage their files more effectively. This reduces the risk of data loss and ensures that everyone is working with the most up-to-date information. Specific advantages for the organization include the following. First, cloud-based services offer robust security features, including encryption in transit and at rest, data classification, and access controls. These measures help protect sensitive information and ensure compliance with regulatory requirements. Next, moving to the cloud can lead to significant cost savings by reducing the need for on-premises hardware, maintenance, and IT support. Organizations can also benefit from scalable storage options, paying only for what they use. Cloud-based services simplify IT management by centralizing file storage and providing tools for monitoring and managing access. This reduces the administrative burden on IT staff and allows them to focus on more strategic initiatives. Finally, cloud-based services offer built-in disaster recovery and business continuity features. In the event of a hardware failure or other disruption, data can be quickly restored, minimizing downtime and ensuring that business operations continue smoothly. Migrating on-prem file shares to cloud-based services like OneDrive and SharePoint offers numerous advantages for both end users and the organization. By enhancing accessibility, improving collaboration, and strengthening security, this move aligns with the Zero Trust model and supports a modern, efficient, and resilient IT infrastructure.